Hello, I just got back and I have banh mi. I'm not really a fan of banh mi, but once in a while it's really good. And my last one is chicken. I was editing all this morning. I am halfway done right now. I have 7 minutes that is cut, which means that I think this one is going to be a 15 minutes video. Hopefully. I need to charge my battery. Charging. Okay. Now it's 1, so I think the best is to leave for 2 for the studio, and I'll be doing some drawing. I think I'm going to draw again and try to use my bat system, and we'll see, because maybe I'm also going to continue on the editing part. I have to do the final cuts, add maybe some subtitles, add my BGM, my intro as well, and that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to watch some drama recap again. It's going to be this one. I don't know the name in Koreans. 남제 드는 달 special. I'm not sure. Well, you got it. And let's have one ice cream for the dessert. Oh, kind of got ugly. It's fine.
根据发布会这天，他特意拜托并把樱花带到了现场。就在所有躲避记者的围堵，樱花在酒店里四处逃窜，无意间躲进了一个空。
Now I am going to wash my face. Stevie Plain Green Full pH Balance Cleansing Foam. It's this green color, really pretty green color actually. Afterwards I'm going to use this. It's kind of like a toner. It's an essence. Really moisturizing one, because my skin just feels really dry in Paris compared to where I was in Lisbon. My skin was kind of moist, but once I'm back in Paris, I think Paris is really dry. Now I'm gonna use a ampoule. It's the Manu Bifida Biome Complex Ampoule. So it's good for anti-aging. Using this pearl essence. It lasts. Never forgot your sunscreen. It has SPF 50 plus ultra UV protection. The sun is really kicking in. To put my jacket as well. Today is an explosion of pattern. I have this under this. This time I won't forget my small package. Welcome back in the studio. Okay, we have really good weather today. We have a scale. Finally, I have a scale. It's my dad's scale, but it's kind of like wobbly. So I was like, take it. I was like, thank you, Dad. I got high quality hot air gun. I think it's the classic that everyone gets. I have this one, the red one. And I also have some heads, but I think I won't need those. So I'll give that to my dad because he is going to be more interested in those heads than me. I have a glazing clamp. Some sponge, a wire tool. This one has like a bigger curve. It should be more easier to lift the pots off, and more small sponge this time, and that's it. This is where I put pretty much all the mess. This is my throwing gauge that I haven't unboxed yet, but I'm going to do it today. So I did the underglaze of these pieces a few days ago, and I'm super excited to see how they turn out. Those as well. To underglaze this creamer using this color. It's a blue gray color, and I'm going to just draw some narrow straight lines. I have really big hands, and this fits like this perfectly. Wow! Now that I'm done with the glazing part, I am going to unbox this baby. I bought it like 3 months ago, I think. It's a throwing gauge, which helps to have regular throwing pieces if you want to throw in series. So those were in plastic. A lot of small rods, some screws. Pretty simple. Just go in like this. And you screw it. It's done! Wow. Okay, here is the thing. So the thing you can just go in and out, lower or higher. This is really smart. And now I'm going to use my bat system to throw some pieces. I'm going to do 400 grams bowls for doing mugs. I bought a buffet today, so let's eat this. Wow, look at that. This is lit. Oh gosh. This is beautiful. Look at this. How beautiful this is. I just need to reheat it. There is so much in it. Crazy. Oh. Ah. So good as well. Oh my god. Look at this. Same spot as last time. The table is still in a mess state, but we don't care. We are just going to eat this. And I'm watching a drama recap again. This is with Little Wook, something with like nine-tail fox thing, 1938.
所有活乱养奸的妖魔，起线则是他的金石。为了救弟弟，他没有犹豫就签下了卖身契。